So today we're going to show you how to prepare a natural hair and body soap using Dr. Sebi's bromide, 𝐥𝐤𝐤𝐞, a cheesecloth and a strainer, nopales. You're going to need a knife, a jug, and I'd recommend the scentless Dr. Bronner's soap and a stainless steel pot. So these are the things you're going to need to create this natural soap. The first thing you want to do is probably wash this, alright, and then cut it up and put it into your pot with, let's say, half a litre of water. So after you've cut them up, you're going to fill up the pot with half a litre of water. Alright, you can add a bit more to that. You can make it just a bit more than half a litre. But once that's done, you put it on the fire and boil it for about 20 minutes so it can get soft. And we get to the next step. So the reason why we're doing this is because a lot of people like the Dr. Bronner's soap, which is good, but we don't 100% know if everything in it is good for us. So can we make it better? Yes, we can, because we're intelligent people. Dr. Sebi's already told us that alkalinity is the way forward. So I thought, let me alkalize Dr. Bronner's soap. Let me see if I can alkalize it at least. So we're using the bromide, the sea moss, and lime, peeled my lime, and also the nopales, which is almost ready. So we're gonna use these things to make our soap better. That's all we're doing. So we've poured the blend into the cheesecloth with the sieve, and we're collecting just the juice now. We're collecting just the juice. Remember to strain it properly. So what we did was we removed a soap from Dr. Bronner's container, and we only left 1/3 of the soap left, and then we filled it to the top using what we made. Okay, and this is what we discarded when we strained it with a cheesecloth. And this is exactly what the body does, you know, consumption, digestion, absorption, and elimination. And this is what we've eliminated. Okay, this is what it looks like. So yes, people, and that's it, your alkaline soap. Remember, people, there's always going to be room for improvement. You know, all we can do is our best, you know, and no one's going to ask more from us. There's always going to be room to have, you know, a better quality of life, better quality of, you know, water, better quality of food. You can have a better quality of anything. It's just how much do you want? You know, how much of that do you want? Do you want a better quality of things, or do you just want to stay the same and do the same stuff and use the same stuff? So yeah, that was an easy one to learn, and there'll be many more to come. Peace, love, and high vibrations.